Children, today we are going to learn about articles. So let's start. Articles are a, an, and the. Our learning objectives are at the end of this lesson, you will be able to define the articles, name the articles a, an, and the. Recognize that articles are always used with nouns. Use articles correctly in sentences. Understand where and how to use article a, an, and the. Okay, children. Now I am going to tell you a story. Are you ready? That's great. The story is about two children named Jenny and Jack. Jenny is going on vacations and she is telling her friend all what she is packing. Hi Jack. Hi Jenny. Are you ready for your holidays? Oh yes, I am really excited, Jack. I have even made a list of things I have to remember to pack. Oh, that's a long list. Can I help you in packing, Jenny? Why not, Jack? Let's see the list Jenny has made. A comb, a toothbrush, an umbrella, an alarm clock, a ball. Have you noticed that there are some words in the list that have article and before them, and there are few words that have article a before them? Do you know why? Let's find out. There are 26 letters in English alphabets. Out of these 26 letters, A, E, I, O, U are vowels. When a word starts with a vowel, we put article an before such words. For example, the word egg starts with the vowel E, so we are going to put article an before the word egg, and it will become an egg. There are two words in Jenny's list that start with vowels, and what are these? Yes, umbrella, alarm clock. The word umbrella starts with the letter U and has vowel sound a, and the word alarm clock starts with the letter A and has vowel sound a, so we put article n before these words. The remaining letters of English alphabets other than A, E, I, O, U are called consonants. And when we have any word that starts with a consonant, we put article a before that word. For example, we have word pan. The word pan starts with a consonant P and has a consonant sound P, so we put article a before pan and it will become a pen. There are three words in Jenny's list that start with consonant. Can you tell what they are? Yes, comb, toothbrush, ball. The word comb starts with a consonant C and has consonant sound K. The word toothbrush starts with a consonant T and has consonant sound T. The word ball starts with a consonant B and has consonant sound B. So we put article a before these words. If you observe carefully, you will see that the use of a or an depends on the opening sound of the word, not on the actual letter with which it begins. The examples shown earlier tell us that we use an before the words that begin with vowel sound, and we use article a before the words that begin with consonant sound. Now, I just have to pack few more things and I'll be ready. Oh, I have only 1 hour left to pack. An hour? Sometimes words may begin with a consonant, but we put article n before it. Do you know why? Because sometimes a word begins with a consonant has vowel sound or the first letter of that word is silent. For example, hour. When we pronounce the word hour, the letter H is silent. Therefore, when hour is pronounced, the first letter pronounced like a vowel sound so we put article N before the word hour. The word hat starts with the letter H and has consonant sound H, so we put article A before hat. Articles A or N are indefinite articles. They are used before nouns which are not specific, or when we talk about the noun for the first time, we use article A or N. Article A is used before singular countable noun that begins with a consonant. For example, a boy, a book, a brick, a shoe, etc. Article N is used before singular countable noun that begins with a vowel or a vowel sound. For example, an apple, an orange, an honest man, an hour, etc. Oh, Jack, I forgot to put the red hat that my aunt gave me on my birthday. Isn't it pretty? Yes, it is. Oh, Jenny, you also forgot this book as well. Oh, this is my favorite book. I better pack it now. Thanks, Jack. The word the is used before nouns to refer to a specific person, place, or thing. For example, Jenny has to pack the red hat that her aunt gave her. Over here in this line, Jenny is talking about a specific hat that her aunt gave her. Jenny packed the book that Jack gave her. The book refers to a specific book that Jack gave her. The word the is used before a noun which refers to only one thing of its kind. As we have only one earth and one sun, so we can say the earth is round, the sun is shining. The word the is used before a noun which refers to the whole class of persons, places, animals, or things. For example, the giraffe is the tallest animal. Over here in this line, giraffe refers to all giraffes. The word the is also used before the names of some famous places, buildings, statues, and books. For example, Jenny's favorite book is The Tales of Trinky Land. Over here in this phrase, the is used to point out that the book is specifically about tales or stories of Trinky Land. We use the before rivers, for example, the Indus River, seas and oceans, for example, the Red Sea and the Pacific Ocean, famous buildings, for example, the Minar-e-Pakistan, holy books, for example, the Holy Quran. Article the is a definite article. It is used before nouns which are specific and when we talk about the noun for the second time. It is used before singular and plural or countable and uncountable nouns which are specifically identified. Here, few examples are given. Ali asked Sarah, "Are my keys in the car?" In this example, Ali assumed that Sarah knows which car he is talking about. The child must have healthy food. In this example, I know which child I am talking about. Oh, I'm so excited to go on my vacations. But before I leave, let's go through some of the points we learned in the lesson articles. So what did I learn today? When to use article a or an before singular noun that starts with a consonant. Before singular noun that starts with a vowel or vowel sound. When we are talking about something in general, when we are talking about something for the first time. When to use article the, when we are talking about something in specific, when we are talking about something for the second time. Okay, children, in the end, let's sing a chant of articles. This is my favorite article song. Learn it now so you don't go wrong. There is the definite article, the pencil, the book, the blue table. Indefinite are a and an apple, an egg, a snake in a can. Remember this chant and you will know with a and the how to go.